Today is a sunny day. Tommy and Lily are playing together. They are happy today.
Lily sees a beautiful butterfly. She smiles. She follows the butterfly.
Tommy throws the ball. He does not see Lily. He is still playing.
Tommy looks around. He cannot see Lily. He feels worried.
Lily? Where are you? Lily! Can you hear me?
The park is quiet. Tommy listens carefully.
Are you behind the tree? Huh? No.
Lily is not there. He looks near the bench.
No, Lily. He looks near the flowers. Still no Lily.
Tommy sees the butterfly. Maybe Lily followed it.
Tommy follows the butterfly. He walks slowly. Lily is looking at flowers. She does not know Tommy is looking for her.
Hello, little ladybug. Lily, where are you? Please answer me.
The wind blows softly. Tommy keeps looking.
Wait!
Tommy hears a little laugh.
Is that Lily?
He follows the happy sound.
Tommy, I'm here. Lily, I found you. Huh?
They hug each other. Now they are together again.
I was worried for you, Lily. I'm sorry, Tommy.
The butterfly is very beautiful.
Next time, stay with me, Lily.
They hold hands. They walk together.
They go back to play. Everyone is happy. Friends stay together. Friends help each other.
The sun is going down. It is a beautiful evening.
See you next time. Thank you for watching.